I don't know if you're getting any in your mouth, man. I don't know if you're getting many. Huh? Say I'm a big boy. Say I'm eating fish sticks and macaroni and cheese. Say if mommy tries to spoon it in my mouth, I don't like it. But if you just put it right here and let me eat it, I think it's delicious. What's wrong? Say put the camera down, Mama. What's the matter? Here. Is it yummy? Say, I've almost eaten 3 whole fish sticks. Say, I've almost eaten 3 whole fish sticks. I like my groceries. Big boy. Such a big boy. Yum, yum.